Fractal flow trading plan. Most traders swing blindly from one setup to another, but in this video, I will show you how to build a rule-based swing trading plan using fractal flow logic. Most traders swing blindly from one setup to another, but in this video, I will show you how to build rule-based swing trading plan using fractal flow logic, so you can trade with clarity, confidence, and consistency. My name is Seun, and if you love mastering price action like I do, subscribe and let's go deeper together. Why our rule-based plan matters? Let's face it, emotion destroys more tricks than bad strategies. The only way to cut the noise is through rules. A rule-based plan reduces hesitation, removes guesswork, and lets you focus execution instead of stress. And when we add fractal logic structure within structure, we get precision. Step 1. Divine structure flow. Starting from the higher time frames. Weekly from macro bias. Daily to 4 hours for trend structure. 1 hour to 15 minutes for entries. Example. Rule number 1. Only buy if 4 hour is making higher and higher low. Only enter when 15 minutes break of structure towards the bias. You are not reacting to noise. You are following a flow of price behavior. Step 2. Rules for entry. Here are sample swing entry model based on fractal flow. Price break 4 hours resistance. Pull back to previous structure or liquidity zone. Entry only 15 minutes shows a bullish engulfing plus break of internal structure. Entry rule example. Wait for 2 candles to confirm rejection at demand zone. Entry on third candles if it breaks the trigger high. This avoid random entries and focus on smart money footprint. Stop loss and target rules. This part is critical. Stop loss. Place below the swing low that form the entry confirmation. Target. Use 1:3 minimum risk reward. Take profit 1 at next structure high. Take profit 2 at higher time frame liquidity. Option rule. Move to break even after 1 ratio in profit 8. Example plan. You need to understand what is happening in the market space. Visualize the chart. Let me show you how this works with a chart. Forward trend is up. Price break a major resistance. 15 minutes pullback to old resistance equals new support. Bullish engulfing plus break of 15 minutes swing high. Entry plus stop plus target place. This is not magic. This is method, logic, and risk control. This is example of 4-hour time frame. There was a break of structure. Market was ranging, consolidating at this key level. This is resistance level, this is support level. When market broke the structure, there was immediately rejection. Market came back to test this structure by turning the resistance into support level, thereby giving us a fractal confirmation that it is planned for entry. This is 15 minutes time frame. The same structure gave us 15 minutes candle confirmation for entry. Why? Price is fractal in nature. The same thing happened in 15 minutes again, which happened before in 4 hours, which is structure within structure, will occur concurrently. So in 15 minutes, this is the support level. This is our entry model 15 minutes confirmation. Take your profit at the next high. This is take profit 1 and market play out effectively. That is the proper advanced way of trading the market. You need to have a strategy. Resistance level, support level, entry confirmation, take profit 1, take profit 2. When you have this confluence all together, an advanced way of trading in which you make profit. Resistance level, support level, 15-minute entry confirmation, take profit 1, take profit 2. System based, not emotions, not you are not feeling it. You are showing, market is showing you and you are following through. Repeated plan equals confidence. The goal isn't to win every trade. It is to win with a process you can repeat. When your plan is clear, you won't panic during drawdowns. That is how pro traders think. Rule first, emotion last. If you got value from this video, do these 4 things. Like this video, on your notifications, drop your comments, and share with friends and family. And click subscribe button. Thank you.